everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I brought up a new video in which I'm gonna tell you how to make this beautiful flower pattern on Scratch. Yes, my dear learners, you heard it right, on Scratch, by using coding. So first of all, we're gonna go to Google Chrome and then write scratch.mit.edu. Okay, and then you're gonna come on this screen. So here you can just click on create or click on start creating. And then here is our working area. This is our character which we're gonna code. You can change this character if you want. For example, if I go and click on the character one, I can change it. First we had a normal cat. I'm gonna have a butterfly. Okay. Now, there are many categories on this side. As you can see, motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. There are many categories in which there are many blocks which we can code by dragging and dropping them on this screen, on this area on which we program. We could also delete it anytime we want. So here we're gonna go in the events category and then take the block when green flag clicked. When green flag clicked. The events are the starting ones. The startings of the code. Next, we're gonna go take a new category. How to add it? We're just gonna go on this add extensions button, and then here we're gonna go on pens. So here is a whole new category. In this category, we're gonna take the first block, which is erase all, and then drag it and drop it just below the when green flag clicked button. After that, we're gonna take this set pen size 2 block. So there are 2 blocks which look exactly the same. Change pen size by 1 or set pen size to 1. They may look different, same, but have very different uses. So we're gonna take set pen size to 1, but instead of 1, we're gonna put it on 2. The good thing about this block is that we can also, it's variable. We can change its numbers. It's a really good thing. Now, after that, in the pens category still, we're gonna select set pen color. Set pen color to this. So we're gonna take it and then put it in here. We can change its color if we want. For example, I'm gonna change its color to, let's say pink. Yeah, it's a really good color. To light pink. After that, we're gonna go in the motions category and then go to point in direction. Here is the point in direction block. If you can't see it, you can just scroll a little bit down like that. So here we're gonna take point in direction 90 but instead of 90, we're gonna put 70. Okay? If you can't adjust it from here, for example, if you can't adjust it to 70, only 75, so it's okay, you can just adjust it from here and then write 70. Great. Now, in the motions category, we have another block which we're gonna use, which is go to X, Y. So this is the location of the character we want to place. So we're gonna take this and then put the two numbers to 0. Go to X 0, Y 0. After that, we're gonna go back to the pens category, and then we're gonna take the pen down block. There are two blocks, pen down and pen up. And as I said before, some blocks could look the same, but their uses are very different. So we're gonna take pen down and then put it in here. After pen down, we're gonna go in the controls category and then take repeat 10. We're not gonna change it this time. And then we're gonna take repeat 10 again and then put it inside it. These are called the loops. All the loops are inside the control category. So the control category is full of them, except for one block. Just wait 1 second. So the repeat 10 one, which is inside the repeat 10 loop, we're gonna change it into repeat 6. Inside the repeat 6 loop, we're gonna add some blocks. So we're gonna go back to the motions category and then go turn and then take turn 15 degrees. Remember to be careful in using these two because they're different. If we choose this, our corrector would go this side. And if we choose this, our corrector would go this side. But how to know that which one goes where? So these are the arrows. This one points here, this one points here. We're gonna take this one and then put it in here. Instead of 15 degrees, we're gonna put 60 degrees. We're gonna take this again and then put it inside and put it into 36 degrees. But this time we're not gonna put it in this loop, we're gonna put it in the other repeat 10 loop. Okay guys, now we're gonna move 10 steps and then put it in above here. And then instead of 10 steps, we're gonna put 50 steps. So this is it. Now let's see the results. I'm so excited. So we're gonna click on this green flag and then it's gonna draw it. The butterfly is gonna draw the thing, the flower, which I showed you earlier. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Amazing. It's just like this design I told you it would make. You know, You could trust me. It's a really great design and it's really easy to make on Scratch. Make sure to save it also. This is an important tip, which you're gonna regret if you don't do it right now. So this is it for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Until now, bye bye!